Hello guys, and today we are unboxing GAN 11M Pro. I have been waiting on this cube for a long time. Look at that box. Super duper shiny. This is honestly my favorite GAN cube box I've opened. See, these GAN cube boxes I love to like keep and stuff. Like I still have my one of my other GAN cubes. Look at that. Dude, it's so satisfying. Oh, it's like opening an iPhone. Oh, look, a credit card. Nice. Okay. We got Cube Station AI beginner tutorial. Okay. So, the accessories come with another bag. I have another one right here. Two bags. Get that out of the way. Looks like some adjustment tools. Yep. Some stuff to adjust the cube. This is actually the first cube that I actually got stuff to adjust it, other than the Bluetooth one I got. GameCube pamphlet they've been giving me for every GameCube I've gotten, and this other pamphlet. Ooh, screwdriver. I think this is to adjust the magnets inside. But the moment we've all been waiting for. Ooh, I love this cube case. Look at that. The way it opens, I've watched like several videos on the GAN 11M Pro. It's just, ooh, okay. Ooh, it's like kind of soft. Really like it. Okay, out of the box. Feels amazing. Extremely fast. The magnets, you can really feel the magnets. This is a great cube. For only like 43 bucks, this is a beautiful cube. I was really hoping to get the white internals. I did get this off Amazon, so I didn't really get to pick. Yeah. I heard that the core has magnets on it. Yes, it does. As you can see, inside of the core, there is a little magnet right there. You can see that. And then on the pieces, looks like you can adjust the magnet. Personally, I like the magnets pretty strong. Out of the box, this cube feels amazing. I just need to play around with the settings and stuff. So, on this GAN cube, see this magnet triangle thing? This connects to the magnets in the core, and you can actually change that. You can just pull that out, and then there's extra ones in here, and you can put those in. So let's look at the adjustment things. So looks like if I do that, it should yeah, it adjusts it. If you can see that, the magnet right there goes up and down every time I move this little dial with the screwdriver. Okay, now let's put this back. No, let's put this back together. trying to do it as fast as possible. There we go. Sorry, I just need to do that one more time. This is a great cube. I love this cube. Inside the cap. This is just easier. Oh, no, my center cap. Oh no. Did I lose it? Hold on a second. Please tell me I didn't lose it. Oh my god. Oh, I found it. Okay. Whew, I thought I lost the red cap. Okay, so looks like inside the adjustment system, you use the tool inside of here to adjust it. So this thing right here looks like you can adjust the inside of it like that. You can twist it. I just twisted it. I like it on the setting. I'm gonna play around with the controls and stuff, but yeah, it looks like there's also this blue thing in there, which I can, so the way it works is I put this thing in the, in there just like that, and then I twist it. Right now, it should be setting I was just at. I don't know what setting I was at. Oh, whoa. I don't know what this thing is. But, oh, okay. So, yeah, that looks good. Yeah, this is a beautiful cube. Sorry, beautiful cube, and you can pretty much adjust to really anything. See, there the spare magnets are in here, so you can mess around with those, and yeah. So, looks like there are triangular ones, which are the ones in the cube right now, and then there's hexagonal ones. Let me show you the hexagonal ones. So they look like that. And then the triangular ones are, I showed you the triangular ones, they're obviously triangular. These ones look like hexagons, if I didn't already said that. And, yeah. If you are looking for a brand new GAN cube, if it's your first GAN cube, I recommend buying the one of the 356s. But if you were looking for if you already have one of those and want something a little faster and better performance, better magnets, like, dang, I can do a. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's do a solve. Let's do solve. Okay. Scramble. Okay. So, solve. 32-second. I know it's backwards on here, but yeah, that does say 32.2. I think I might need to adjust the magnets and the tension of the cube, because some of those times, like, I messed up on a T-time and it just kind of went out of control. So you can see that I was doing a T-perm and then it just went out of control. So as long as this cube is adjusted, I think it's a really good cube. Also, about the box, this is probably the coolest box I have. Like, this is the coolest box ever. Just the way it opens, it's awesome. This one, on the other hand, this one was with my Bluetooth cube. This one's kind of boring because it's clear. And it's just, see, it's boring how it opens. It doesn't, like, fly open whenever you do that. But this one flies open like that, and then you can do that. Put it in, grab your cube, open it. It's just so fun to play with. Grab your cube, scramble, and do yourself. World record. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and like, subscribe, comment, and you know what my banner says, one sub, one cookie. Bye.